Good evening. What we are going to do today is talk about the oblique muscles. The oblique muscles are the inner abdominal muscles which actually support our spine while we are moving our body, our limbs, our hands and our legs. The oblique muscles consists of the internal oblique which goes from the center of the stomach and goes towards the hips, and then we have the external obliques which kind of goes from the ribs to the center. So they support the entire stomach. It helps to give the shape to the stomach, but it also helps to control the spine. We are now going to demonstrate some basic exercises which are challenging to the oblique muscle. So the first exercise here, we are going to do a bridge where we are going to first tilt our pelvis a little bit up, and then we are going to raise our hips up entirely as much as we can. Try and get them as high as we can, and then with our hands, with the TheraBand in our hand, we are going to take our one hand behind, challenging the obliques here. Come back to the center and the other arm, please. That's it. And then we slowly come down. The second exercise is a tabletop exercise with a heel slide. So we have a nice engage your core, curl your pelvis, raise one leg up, raise the other leg up, hold the spine in the center and then slide one leg down and come back and slide the second leg into a straight position and come down. Repeat that, and you can do all these exercises roughly around 10 repetitions, and that's it. The next exercise is also going to be a tabletop exercise, but this time it's going to be dropping the knees outwards. So we have curl your pelvis, engage your core, curl your pelvis, lift one leg up, lift the second leg up and drop your knee outward on one side and then the other side. And then back again and repeat. Now be sure that when you're actually doing this exercises that your back doesn't arch. Stop. Back doesn't arch and we are nicely flat on the bed, but we still have a little space in our low back. That's what the neutral spine is. Now we're going to do side lying. So let's have you on your side. Please use a cushion or a small rolled up towel under your head because we don't want the head this. You can also put your hand up. We're going to have our legs bent. Okay, we are going to have our legs bent where our knees are in the front, the ankle and the hip are in one line, and then we are going to elongate our spine and then engage our core muscles, or engage our obliques, and then we are going to, by slightly sucking the stomach in, and this time we are going to roll the knees up without rolling the hip. So as you can see, we are not rolling the hips backward, we're just lifting the knee up and bringing it down, controlling the pelvis from rotating while we are moving the leg. We are now going to do what is called as an arm opening exercise. This helps to control the rotation of the spine by the oblique muscle. So what we do here first is that we glide the hand outward first and then we rotate from the arm and the pelvis without rotating the hips. So you're using your abdominals to control the hips from not rotating while the trunk is rotating. So as we said, the obliques control the low back from movement while we are moving the rest of the body. So up till now we were moving the legs and maybe a little bit of the hands, but now we are moving the spine and still controlling it. Finally, we are going to be on all fours position where we are going to show you the aeroplane exercise. So here the patient is in all fours, spine in neutral, so drop your spine down a little bit. Okay, now controlling the position of the spine, what we want is to slide one leg backward and one hand forward. Okay, and back. And now the opposite hand and the opposite leg, ensuring that the spine does not tilt and stays nice and straight. You can imagine a glass of water on top of your back. You don't want to drop the glass or the water there. And that's it. So that's our series of the oblique muscle.